Let's go to our lighting plan. Today I want to show you analytical spaces. What is it? If you go to Analyze ribbon tab, if you will place your cursor above Space tool, you will see some explanation from Autodesk. Don't forget about this trick. But first of all, for creating spaces, we should go to Revit Links, choose our architecture file, tap Properties and check this checkbox. Without it, nothing will happen. So, spaces were originally taken from architecture rooms. So, if rooms are not created correct, spaces will do the same. So, ask your architect to create correct rooms. When we go to Analyze, press Space, and don't be so fast, because place space automatically. We are not pressing for now. We are checking offset, because 8 feet it's not enough, and I will show you why. If you go to East elevation, if we will check out level to height, it's 12.5 feet. This is a metric system from architecture file. So we need our space from level number 1 to level number 2, because it influences on internal Revit lighting calculations when you're placing lighting fixtures. We are going to lighting, we are going to space, and here we will choose level 2, offset 0, and place space automatically. So 34 spaces created. Good. Let's check out the properties. Here we have space properties, limits, lighting, good, loads, super, dimensions, great, mechanical, we don't need it, and identity data. As you can see, identity data not matching with room number and name from architecture file. Let's do it. Go to Analyze, Space Naming, Names and Numbers, all levels, you can specify. Okay, now we have correct name. Let's check out our space, for example cafeteria, in section. How to make section? It is easy. We are pressing section, we are making line, we can flip up and down for choosing side. We will choose this one, pressing on section, right button, go to view. Now we can see our space and our section. Also, very often I am using next trick. So if we place our lighting devices, I will just pick up them using Ctrl and place, for example, here. Anyway, it's not correct for sure, but I want to check out how these devices looks in 3D view in specific space. I'm choosing space and I'm pressing selection box. Great, we have our selection box, 3D view, and I can actually visualize how they looks like. If you, for example, choose this lighting device, press Shift and right button of the mouse, you can turn around. But what to make for better visualizations? Where is our colors? So our colors will not appear if you will choose any visual style here. Shaded, hidden, the same, gray and white. I need colors. For getting colors, go to discipline and choose architecture. So using electrical will show you the same, gray and white. So electrical, architectural, apply. Now you will see more or less the same, but if you will choose shaded, you will see your colors. But where is our lighting devices? I want to move a little bit section box here and here, like because but I cannot see it because section box is on, but where is our section box? I cannot find it. So maybe this button will help. Reveal hidden elements. Let's press it. We'll choose our section box and unhide it on view. Right click, unhide on view, category, and go to normal mode. Now I can see our section block and I can manage how to cut it. So I'm cutting and I can actually see our crazy lighting devices on the floor. For now it's just experiment. Okay, and also you can save this 3D view. For this, just give a view name, 3D view cafeteria, and click apply. And you will find your 3D view here. In architectural section, yes, because we choose here architectural discipline, and now we have 3D view here. Okay, last but not least, sometimes in lobbies, in halls, we have different levels, different height of the ceilings and so on, but the space is the same. I created a great picture for you in Paint. What I want to show you, for example, corridor on the first floor. Here we have one height, here we have another height, above we have already some spaces, and we need to make separate spaces for separate height. How to do it? Let's go back. Let's go to space separator and let's separate our, for example, stairs. I will show you why later. So we are choosing rectangle and we are making a rectangle around and pressing left click. Now we separated this space, but we actually place another space here. Again, we are choosing space. We can choose again level 2 offset 0 and place it here. Why I choose this hall? Because usually it is halls and corridors. I will show you why. So again, I choose my space. I press selection box. Not this one. Again. So I'm choosing space, selection box. Now we have correct 3D view. And as you can see, here we have stairs. And where we have stairs, we don't have ceiling. And maybe it will be another lighting solution with another height for lighting fixtures. And that is why I created space number 1 and space number 2. You can actually rename it the same using analyze, space naming, and names and numbers. Because it is the same room in architectural file, you will get the same names with the numbers, like lobby 1, lobby 2, and you can to put any name here, maybe the same, maybe another number, but as a result, if I will go to section here, I will make a bigger section here and here, then go to view. So now I have space number 1, it is lobby 2 and lobby 1, but for lobby 1 I can regulate our space here, and this I can regulate here. So now we have 2 separate spaces and we can actually cover these cases with different height. See you in next lesson.